Welcome to our channel. Commercial auto insurance is essential for businesses using vehicles, but costs can be high. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get the best rates. Step 1. Accurately classify your business use. Insurers price policies based on how vehicles are used, such as service calls, deliveries, or transporting people or goods. Step 2. Maintain a safe driving record for all drivers. Moving violations and accidents significantly increase premiums, so implement a driver safety program for employees. Step 3. Choose appropriate coverage limits based on your business risks. Minimum liability limits may not be sufficient if you transport valuable goods or have substantial assets to protect. Step 4. Consider higher deductibles to lower premiums. If your business can afford larger out-of-pocket costs for claims, higher deductibles reduce monthly expenses. Step 5. Install safety and security devices like GPS tracking, dash cameras, and anti-theft systems. Many insurers offer discounts for vehicles equipped with these technologies. Step 6. Bundle your commercial auto insurance with other business insurance policies. Many insurers offer multi-policy discounts when you combine several types of coverage. Step 7. Review and update your policy annually. Remove drivers who no longer work for you and vehicles no longer in your fleet to avoid paying for unnecessary coverage. Step 8. Shop around with multiple insurers that specialize in commercial auto insurance. Get quotes from at least 3 companies and compare coverage details, not just prices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.